Hello again, AI Explorers. Welcome to Lecture 9 of your journey from zero to hero in artificial intelligence. Only on FutureKids VR. Big question of the day. How does AI make smart decisions without a real brain? Let's discover the magic behind AI decision-making. Do computers think like humans? Nope. Humans use their brain, but AI uses something else. Math, logic, and patterns. That's right. AI makes decisions by finding smart patterns inside data. How humans make decisions. Imagine you're hungry. You see two things: a cupcake and broccoli. Your brain says, cupcake, yummy, but not healthy. Broccoli, healthy but not tasty. You think, then decide. How AI makes decisions. Now let's say an AI robot has to pick one. It doesn't have feelings, but it has data. If 10 kids chose cupcakes and 2 chose broccoli, AI learns. Most kids like cupcakes. So it says, pick cupcake. AI uses previous data and plus rules to decide. Tools AI uses for decisions. AI doesn't just guess. It uses smart tools like decision trees. Like a quiz. Is it sweet? Yes. Cupcake. No. Broccoli. If then rules. If age is less than 10, suggest cartoons. Machine learning models. These are trained on data. They get smarter over time. Neural networks. A special kind of math system that mimics how humans think. Real-life AI decisions. Your phone unlocks using your face. Netflix shows you a cartoon you'll love. A game adapts to your playing style. Traffic lights change based on cars. Robots pick the best path in a maze. Hospitals let AI help doctors decide faster. AI is like a smart helper who looks at data and says, this is the best option. Can AI make mistakes? Yes. If the data is wrong or unfair, the AI might make a bad decision. So humans must guide AI and always check its work. That's called human in the loop. Recap time. AI uses data plus logic to make decisions. It doesn't feel, it follows patterns. Tools. Decision trees, rules, ML models, neural nets. AI helps in phones, hospitals, games, and more. Humans still need to watch and guide AI. Next up, Lecture 10. Can AI talk? The power of text to speech. Get ready, AI heroes. See you in the next lesson.